This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's double oven cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Start with both cabinet doors face down on your workstation, hinge holes closest to you. Align the hinges over their holes, then secure in place with the drill and prepackaged screws. Set these pieces aside. Place the drawer face front down on your workstation, the slotted edge closest to you. Position the drawer sides with their slotted edges faced inwards, then connect the dovetail joins of the drawer sides and face so the sides stand straight up. Take the drawer bottom and slide into place in the side slots and push flush with the slot on the face. Now, place the bridge board behind and against the drawer bottom and aligned in the middle of the drawer face, and tap the pre-placed wooden pegs into the pre-drilled holes with a rubber mallet. Place the drawer backing so its slot fits flush with the bottom and the bridge board, and the dovetail joins meets those of the sides, then secure where all the pieces of the drawer meet with a nail gun. Next, place the drawer on your workstation so the bottom faces up and position the drawer glides behind the drawer face. Secure these into place with a drill and prepackaged screws, then set the completed drawer aside. Now set one of the cabinet sides on your workstation, slotted edge closest to you and the notched corner to the upper left. Position one of the drawer glide tracks in place at the side's far left end and secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Attach the cabinet top at the side's far right end, the slotted edge closest to you, then slide the backing into place in the side slot and push flush with the slot in the top. Secure where the top and backing meet with a nail gun. Now place the base bottom at the side's far right end. Fit the pre-placed wooden pegs into the pre-drilled holes and push its slot flush with the backing, then secure the top and backing with a nail gun. Finally, reinforce where the top, backing, and bottom meet with a drill and drywall screws. Retrieve one of the fixed internal shelves and attach it to the side on the end closest to the top with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Gently tap this into place with a rubber mallet. Next, attach the other fixed internal shelf to the side on the end closest to the bottom with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes and tap into place with a rubber mallet. Secure these shelves where they meet the backing with a nail gun. Now place the other cabinet side on top of the constructed unit, its notched corner also to the upper left, and tap the pre-placed wooden pegs into the pre-drilled holes with a rubber mallet. Secure where this side meets all pieces in the unit with a nail gun. Now place one of the doors in front of the unit and aligned with the space between the top and the first fixed shelf. Ensure there is a space about the thickness of a credit card between the two pieces and set the free end of the hinges flush with the side. Secure the hinges to the side with a drill and prepackaged screws. Then check that the door is properly aligned and closes flush with the unit. Now flip the unit on your workstation to lie on its opposite side and repeat the process to secure the side now face up to the rest of the unit with a nail gun. Remember, to prepare, you may have to use a rubber mallet to ensure this side is still flush with the unit. Position the other drawer glide track opposite the one previously placed at the bottom of the unit, then secure with a drill and prepackaged screws. Now take the other small cabinet door and position it in front of the unit aligned with the space between the top and the first fixed shelf and attach with a drill and prepackaged screws as previously performed. Finally, stand the unit upright and retrieve the constructed drawer. Insert the drawer into its slot at the bottom of the unit and ensure it closes smoothly on the track and flush with the cabinet. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry double oven cabinet is ready to install.